That was the first hitchhike after so long. Now you're trying to kill me. Cops, army, Indian army, save me. I don't know till when we are going to walk. No idea. तो भैया हमें जो लिफ्ट दी है ना हमारे ज्योति शंकर भैया ने दी है. After you.
Yeah. Bye bye.
How old are these things?
200 years ago.
Wow.
Look to the mountains.
Almost there.
Yeah. I was trying to do a panorama from here.
Oh, it's okay.
You ruined my beautiful final.
I am beautiful.
Okay.
What else do you want?
Alright.
It's a beautiful face.
Then you do an edit. It's okay?
Okay. Da 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 da. Look at that. भाई साहब तो ऐसा है कि मोनेस्ट्री वगैरह के दर्शन तो हो चुके हैं. We have seen the monastery as much as we could see and the other Buddha statue, Maitreya Buddha, which is friendly Buddha ideally. And now I'm going to try first time in my life hitchhiking because of her. Look at her feet. Look at her feet. I'm showing everyone your feet. And let's see, let's hope we have a good experience and finger crossed that we get a good lift so we can reach Nubra on time. We are going to Hunder or Nubra? This is Nubra only, I guess, eh?
Nubra is the valley.
Nubra is the valley. So I've been thinking that Nubra is a place, but Nubra is the whole valley. It starts from here to further ahead. So we are going to Hunder, and it is approximately 12 kilometers away from here. Yeah, so it's 12 kilometers away, and so fingers crossed for the lift. Hey, these cars are going. We could have get the lift from them. Jump! Let's just jump, run and jump.
Me, Portugal.
And I'm from India only, Lucknow.
Oh, you're from India?
Yeah.
Portugal.
Yes.
It's from Czech Republic, right?
Portugal, Europa,
Europe.
and next to Spain.
It's locked from
It's locked
that
up.
side.
Otherwise, you can just open the window.
Window? Yeah, good idea.
The window.
Ah.
I thought.
I didn't think of
to
that.
Jump out
Now
of the
you,
window.
now you just like it. Oh.
Oh yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Wow, that was the first hitchhike after so long. You know, I wasn't able to get down because the car was standing like this. So I was like, Oh. Okay, so next thing we have to find, walk.
Here.
You can stop or keep walking.
Out of the village. So it's just never us in the middle of the village because then nobody stops.
Oh, okay, somebody. Oh, it's going very. Oh, this one.
Hunder.
Yeah.
Can we go?
Very good. Thank you.
Exactly where we're going to the Sanddunes.
Thank you.
We're going
Camel.
to the dunes.
Yeah.
Camel is where?
यहाँ पे ना.
Bridge.
इधर ही.
Here is the camel and go from their bridge.
Okay, done. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, man.
What a beautiful ride. Thank you so much. So finally we are at this insane beautiful place. Woo-hoo-hoo! Beautiful, eh? More. Because somebody else suggested you something and now you're trying to kill me. Here. Cops, army, Indian army, save me. Should I call the same guy who dropped us here? He looked like he's a cop. So because of one person we are walking middle of nowhere. This is the sand dunes and sun is almost gone to opposite direction. And we are walking to find water so we can have some water.
Run, Forrest, run.
I don't know till when we are going to walk. No idea. This girl is gone mad. She wants the pond and I really don't think so we'll be able to find it, but she's running. I can also run, it's not a big deal, but I take a nice shot. I think we'll get a nice shot from here, so let's take it. Car coming, there's a car coming. So this is day 2 and we are hitchhiking to Turtuk, and let's see whether she'll be able to find someone, or maybe I will try. Should I? There's 2 people. You want to try?
Yes.
She's trying. So let's see whether the car stops or not.
We're going left.
Hey, they are going to lay. No use. Look at the mountains. Fantastico. Hey, oh. The road looks like something like that. And we have to go this way. Should we stop here or? We stop here? I thought we'll keep walking so at least one day we'll reach Turtuk.
So one day you will blame me that you have a...
I'll blame you anyways.
Oh, I know.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow and I live in Mumbai. She's from Portugal.
She's from Portugal.
Yes. उन गाड़ी वालों ने हमें थॉइस में छोड़ दिया है और ये एयरफोर्स बेस है. बाकी अभी और हमें करीबन 67 किलोमीटर का रास्ता और तय करना है. So let's see, we are just waiting. Let's sit and wait. We have a soldier ready, prepared to take a lift. Hey, soldier! So we are just waiting, but look at the view. It's beautiful. तो भाई साहब ऐसा है कि हमें आधे घंटे करीबन हो चुके हैं और अभी तक हमें लिफ्ट मिली नहीं है. काफ़ी गाड़ियों को हाथ दिखा चुके हैं, तो कोई फुल है तो कोई रुकता ही नहीं है, पता नहीं. तो हमने डिसाइड किया, मतलब मैंने डिसाइड किया, इसने नहीं डिसाइड किया है कि लेट्स वॉक फर्दर अहेड. शी थॉट आई वोंट बी एबल टू वॉक, बट आई सेड लाइक लेट्स कीप वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स आवर डेस्टिनेशन. वी मे फाइंड समवन. एटलीस्ट थोड़ा मूव फॉरवर्ड तो करेंगे ना यार. और इतना अच्छा नज़ारा हो तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? कोई प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं ना. So this is where we took a stop, and we are still how much away? 50, yeah, probably 50 kilometers away. place is
47.
47. How many times do I tell you that the place is beautiful? But the place is actually beautiful. Literally, no kidding, yeah. Like you see this plant. And these are the people who gave us a lift. Luckily, so we were lucky. अभी कुछ टाइम से शुरू किया है और ब्लॉग्स डालना. पहले भी डालता था पर पहले अगड़म तगड़म कुछ भी डाल देता था उठा के. बट अभी थोड़ा सा रखो. हाँ यार, मतलब ट्रैवल कर ही रहा हूँ पिछले 2 साल से, तो मैं बोला कि डालूं क्यों नहीं. तो भैया हमें जो लिफ्ट दी है ना, हमारे ज्योति शंकर भैया ने दी है. ये हमारे उड़ीसा से, भुवनेश्वर से होना. तो कभी भुवनेश्वर आएंगे तो मुलाकात होगी बहुत जल्दी, है ना. पर जिस जगह रुके हैं ना, देखो एक बार, लुक एट दैट. कातिल ब्यूटी है, मतलब हद है यार. मतलब सीमा होती किसी चीज़ की, सारी चीज़ की सीमाएं ख़त्म हो चुकी हैं. पहुंच गए हैं भैया इंडिया के लास्ट विलेज तुरतुक तक. और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जिन लोगों ने हमें छोड़ा है. दे आर स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट. आई थिंक देयर इज अ बफे. थैंक यू बडी. स्टोन केन्स कैफे रेस्टोरेंट. दिस वन यू मीन?
Yeah, let's see. Oh my god.
ये रास्ता भी पैलेस में जाने का आसान नहीं. ये इतना ऊपर क्यों बनाते हैं यार? Oh, I see the palace. Is that what it is? There's two way going, this and that. I don't think so that's the way. I think this is the way. Yeah, because see, this is going to the house. And this one is going. See how smart I am? Did you just realize it now? You want to do museum first? Hello. After you.
Okay.
Bye bye. So we are heading to museum. This is museum. Oh, there's a kid. He's cutting the Perchi. This is museum.
Per person 50 rupees.
Okay.
50?
50 rupees for per person.
Okay, well.
Okay. Take this. Thank you.
Mind your head.
Oh yeah, I have to mind my head more than any other. Oh, this looks pretty small. This is the museum. Oh,
Oh, this is pretty.
yeah. Wow.
This video, my face or not?
No, your face. No, only these things.
Okay.
No face. How old are these things?
200 years ago.
Wow. So check this out. These are the things which are 200-year-old. These are the vessels
Yes.
for tea.
40.
For tea.
And for water. Like that.
This is for water. That is for tea. Wow. These are the pots. Wow. This is to keep rice or whatever fruits.
That time there was no pressure cooker.
Oh,
Then
right.
They
Oh,
used
see?
this as a pressure
See,
cooker.
they use this as a pressure cooker.
Yes.
Ow! Ow, it's falling.
This is made of stone.
This is made. Oh!
Yes.
Wow. This is heavy, huh?
Yes. So heavy.
Check this out. This is made of a deer horn. This is bow, very small. Also yak. Oh, see how they used to use this. Interesting. Interesting, my friend. Hey, this is also from museum? This is also from museum?